Tell me why you take mine, now you think it is fine. Does it make me so